Okay, I would like you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be looking at differentiation, but this part, today we are just going to look at the product rule and the quotient rule. My last video, I talked about the chain rule, which is also known as function of function. So this video, I'll try to focus on chain rule and product rule. The product rule is when you have a function that is form of uv. For example, when you have a equation that is y is equals to 2x squared plus 1 raised to power 2 multiplied by 5x squared plus 5. Now, this is two things that is multiplying each other. But the first thing I would like you to understand is that the product rule, the formula for the product rule is dy over the x equals to u dv over the x plus v du over the x. Now, let's look at this now. If our y is equals to, look at it again, equation here, 2x squared plus 1 squared in bracket 5x squared plus 3x squared plus 5. Now, these are the two products. So in this case, we will say that u is equals to 2x squared plus 1 raised to power 2, and v is equals to 3x squared plus 5. Now we are going to differentiate u with respect to x. Now, when you look at this u, you want to differentiate it. What does it remind you? Chain rule. So I would like you to go and watch my video on chain rule to know how to differentiate chain rule. So now I'm going to do a jump a little. So if I differentiate this using chain rule, I'm going to have 8x, because 8x in bracket 8x in bracket 2x squared plus 1. So that is what I will have. That is what I will have. Okay. So I'll have x this. So y, when I differentiate, I can expand it more, which will give me 16x cubed plus 8x. So when I differentiate that, so when I differentiate my dv over the x, it's going to give me 6x plus 6x. No, it's just 6x. It will not give me just 6x. Okay. So now when I apply the formula that states dy over the x is equals to u dv over the x plus v du over the x. I will now have, I will leave u, I will differentiate v. That is what it means. My u is 2x squared plus 1 raised to power 2. Okay. Multiplied by, when I differentiate v, 6x plus v, which is v is 3x squared plus 5, multiplied by what I get when I differentiate u, which should give me 16x raised to power 3 plus 8x. From here, you can simplify your answer, and that will be your dy over the x. So that is how it works. So once you understand that, you can be able to do whatever you want to do. Okay. That being said, we can now go ahead and apply this to quotient rule. What does quotient rule say? Quotient rule, under quotient rule, Quotient rule is also used for fraction. Quotient rule. When you have y is equals to u v. In this case, you are having an example that is like y is equals to 2x squared plus 1 raised to the power 2 over 3x squared plus 2. Now they are fraction. Remember the formula for quotient rule, like I've said in my former video, is the y over the x is equals to v du over the x minus u dv over the x all over v squared. So we have to, first of all, put it, your y is equals to u over v. And according to the question, your u is equals to 2x squared plus 1 in bracket. And our v is equals to 3x squared plus 2. Now we are going to differentiate and find our du with respect to the x, which is this one. So if I'm doing that now, like we have done before, it's going to be 2 u times 4x, which will give you 5x, 4x, 8x in bracket, 2x plus 1. This is what you get when you differentiate the v, which we have done before. When you differentiate the du, I mean to say, when you differentiate the v, the v with respect to x, it will give you 6x. That's all. So now apply that in our formula, our dy over the x. Let's apply the formula. Remember, in this case, we leave v first, and our v is 3x squared plus 2. 3x squared plus 2 in bracket differentiated of u. When we did it, it gave us 16x, 16x cubed plus 8x. Then minus, what is your u? Our u is 2x squared plus 1 raised to the power 2. Then what we get when we differentiate the other one, 6x, all over v squared, and our v squared is 3x squared plus 2. So this is the basic one, where you can now simplify the equation and get the answer. This is just the basic way of solving quotient rule and product rule. Watch the next video when I will in detail explain this also. Thank you. God bless.